Yahtzee Hands Down. How to play. The object of the game is to have the most points when the combo cards are gone. Shuffle, then place 6 of the yellow-backed combo cards face up on the table. Shuffle the blue-backed chance cards and, without looking, place 6 of them face down on the table and return the remainder to the box. Shuffle the red-backed dice cards and deal 5 to each player. Players look at their cards but keep them hidden from others. Place the remaining deck face down. Pick a player to go first and give them the black-backed starter card, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, you may claim a combo card by playing the required cards in your hand face down on the table and saying hands down, without indicating which combo you are going for. Your turn then ends. If you don't go for a combo card, then you may discard up to 5 cards from your hand face up to the discard pile and draw replacement cards from the top of the deck. Your turn is now over. Keep playing until 2 players have a combo, then points are scored. Flip over both combo hands. The player with the highest scoring combination wins. If both hands are equal, for example, both are a 3 of a kind, then the player whose cards have the highest value wins the round. If the hands are identical, then the player who played their combo first wins the round. If you made a mistake and don't have a combo, then you foul, and another player replaces any 3 cards in your hand with new ones from the deck, and the game continues. If the draw deck runs out of cards, then shuffle the discard into a new draw deck. Dice cards have a number and a color. If a die has 2 numbers, then you get to pick which single number you want it to represent in that color. Cards with all 3 colors may be any color of your choice. A wild may be any number of your choice in the specified color of that card. You don't have to go for a combo at the first chance you get if you want to try and get a better combo. And you are allowed to call hands down and make a combo even if it isn't your turn. The winner of the round takes the combo card and places it face up in front of them. The runner-up takes a chance card and places it face down in front of them without looking at it. Both combo players discard their hands to the discard pile and draw 5 new cards from the deck. All other players keep the cards they have. The starter card moves to the player to the left and a new round is played. Play continues until all the combo cards have been claimed. Then the players add up their points as indicated by the combo and chance cards they have, and the player with the most points wins.